Hello everyone and welcome back to Youngcast Academy. So we are going to continue our quiz game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's go. First of all, let me share my screen with you. Okay, nice. One side content, our and the site code. So last time we have done our styling of our what HTML, right? So now we are going to provide our script.js. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, using let questions is equals to let questions questions. Okay, so questions is equals to, so we are going to create what array. So why we are going to create an array? Because we are going to store our all questions into it. Okay, let me make this screen a little bit bigger. Okay, what? Sorry. It's, wait. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Let me close this magnifier. So I basically have a, okay. So we are going to create it like this. Okay. So first of all, we are going to put questions. Okay. So questions number one, first questions. What does HTML stands for? Okay. First dot HTML stands for. So what does it stand for? Tell me. Okay. So we need to provide options as well. So options will be like this. Hypertext hypertext markup language. Okay, markup language, comma. Okay, don't forget to put comma. I text missing missing language language. Okay, comma. So now another hyperlinks and text markup. Okay, so after that what we are going to put it as home tool. Home tool, home tool, markup language language. Okay, like this we are going to create it. Okay, now what we are going to correct as it correct. Okay, correct 0. Understood? So comma, other questions also we have, right? So we are going to create it like that. So and the question, which language is used, let me copy this. Okay, but guys, you need to write it down. Okay, questions, I'll provide a question. So what country, which language used for styling website, which language, guys? So let me put a comma. So now we are going to target which options, right? So a stored in which HTML. Oh, sorry. Control Z. Okay, right. So HTML and CSS. Okay, and JavaScript. I'll simply write JS. Okay, you guys write it. After that, Python. Right? PYTSO and Python. Okay. So now what we are gonna do is we are going to provide a option. So answer is one, right? So we already know that. So we need to provide it as well. Now last questions. Okay. So I will type questions. So this is like that. Okay, right? So we don't. Okay, like this. So which language makes the website interactive? Okay. Control C. Which language? We all know that JavaScript language. Control B. Which language makes a website interactive? Okay. Which language, comma. So what we are going to put is options where inside the array. Okay. So describe bracket. So HTML again, comma. Control Z. Again, I am targeting. Okay. CSS. Okay. Nice. Now JS. Okay. JS, at last Java language we have, right? So we are going to put a comma inside it. So option. So now we need to provide it. Correct option which one? 3, right? So GS is our answer, correct answer, right? So now we are going to close this using the semicolon. Now we are going to track which questions at the time. So using current questions equals to 0, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to store our score. So how we are going to let score is equals to what? 0, right? So after that we need to load questions as well, right? Yes, sir. So let uh, do this. So let questions, okay? Functions. So now we need to so functions, so questions and options, right? So we are using the function of what? Load questions, okay? So like this you are going to so put an empty inside there, okay? Now like this we have created function. So let q is equals to questions. So questions will be like our current questions, right? So we are targeting current questions, okay? Like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use this document, okay? So document dot get what? Element by id, right? So not this one, small d, okay? Document dot get element by id, right? So we are going to target question, okay? After that inner html, inside the inner html, sorry, inner, not inner html, so inner text, sorry, my mistake, okay? So inner text, okay, inner text we have targeted q dot question, qstn question, okay? Like this we are going to target it, okay? Let me, okay, shift plus plus, oh no, no, control plus plus, so that you can easily see, right? So like this we have created. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to copy this, not copy this. So this is for the question, right? So I need to make for the options as well, right? So I will do like this. So options opt0, we have created an id, right? So we are going to target that, okay? So dot inner text, okay? So inside the text we are going to target that. So we are going to replace with what? Options 0, like that, okay? Options what? 0, okay? Like this. So document dot get element by id targeting option 0 dot inner text and q dot option 0, right? So now we are what we are going to do is we are simply copy paste. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Paste, okay? Options we have with, so 1 2 3, only up to 3, or so because it starts from 0, right? So I need to replace here as well, 1 2, sorry, 2, and at the last 3, okay? So everything is okay, okay, right? Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to check our answer. So for that function, okay, so not this capital one, small one, function, okay? So check answer, okay? check answer, AWNSCH answer. Which one is selected options, right? Right, sir, selected options. So whatever the user has selected, we are going to check that answer, okay? So for that we are going to clear. So now we are going to use if selected option, strictly check, okay? Strictly check questions of what? Current questions, okay? So current questions, okay? So is correct, right? Is correct. If it is, so increase the score with plus plus, right? If not, alert. So we are going to provide a alert as well. So overray, that answer is correct, okay? So that answer is correct. Else, now we are going to provide else answer is wrong, okay? So let's see. Answer is what? WRONG wrong, okay? Like this. So now we also need to move to the next questions, right? So what we are going to do is, so current questions alert we have done till now, right? So now we are going to provide current questions should also be increased, okay? So that another question will come, right? After that, if if more question exists, load next, okay? So we are current question is greater the number of questions dot length, okay? Dot length, then load questions. Okay, load questions empty. So otherwise else what, quiz finished, like that we need to say. So document dot, so query selector. Okay, so query selector, uh, now we are going to target the quiz box, right? Quiz box. Okay, and so sorry, I forgot to put a semicolon inside this. Let me put this, let me do this one. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so dot inner HTML, okay, equals to, now what we are going to do is we are going providing a s2, sorry, like this, because JavaScript doesn't understand like this, so we need to put this. So quiz finished, like this. So we are going to close this also, h2. Okay, so this one is also closed. Now what is paragraph? Okay, so paragraph is, we need to show our score also, right? So your score, okay. So put a semicolon plus score plus, right? So paragraph, okay. Now at the end also one paragraph, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, like this. Wait, okay. I think I missed somewhere. As to it will start from here and it will go from here. Unexpected, like this it's saying. So where I've done mistake, dot inner HTML, okay, equals to s2 quick finished. So sorry, here it is only getting finished. Now it's right. Okay, like this. Now we need to update your score to screen as well. So for that, document dot get element by its id, right? So we have given one id called score also, right? So we are going to target the inner text inside that. So it should be changed like how. So score, score, okay. So score will be how much, plus, okay, score score, okay, like this. So now let's see, okay. So how does hypertext markup language? Correct, okay. Which language used for styling website? CSS, correct. Okay, which language makes a website interactive? JavaScript, website interactive. So what we have given is answer. Let me see, okay. Option 3, you're finished. Okay. So your score is, we have only 3 questions, right? So our score is 2 because one answer we have given is wrong, right? So like this, what we are going to do is you are going to correct, you are going to use this JavaScript. So simple, right? If you feel any problem, okay, so just comment down. I will give you reply. So thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you next video. Bye bye.